Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show you how to use the select statements to get data from a single table. We will use a table called student and it contains data about students. This table contains 4 columns: student ID, name, age and city. This data was retrieved from the student. The student ID is the primary key of this table. The primary key is a value that uniquely identifies each row in the table. The next 3 columns tell you about the name, age and city of the students. For our first query, we will select all data from the student table. This query contains 2 essential parts. The select statement lists the columns you want data for, and the form statement specifies which tables to select data from. When you use an asterisk, that instructs the database to return all columns. If you write select asterisk from student end with a semicolon, you can see that all 4 columns were included. You can sort a column in ascending or descending order. If you want to select all data according to the ascending order of name, you should write select asterisk from student order by name and with a semicolon. Then execute. You will see all the data according to the ascending order by name. Let us sort by age in descending order. To do this, add the DESC keyword after the column name. For our next query, we will be more selecting in how we use select. Instead of fetching all columns, let us be more specific. This time we will only select the name and city columns. If you write select name, city from a student end with a semicolon, you can see that only data of name and city columns were included. You can select one or more columns of a table like this. If you want to select distinct record, for an example, let's say that we go and select city here. So if you remember, city had duplicate records. So you can put distinct and can see duplicate records have gone. There is a way to find the number of rows in this table using the count function. For this query, we will select the count rather than the data itself. Count is a function and the input can be either an asterisk or the name of a column. We will use an asterisk to ensure we count all rows. The result is a single number 6. Notice that the name of the column in the row set is count. This is the name of the function, not the name of any column in our table.